Can you square 58 in your head faster than I can type it? Give this magic trick a try. Let's look at 54 as our example. The last digit is 4, so we will call that n. Here is the secret rule. For the front part, just add 25 to n. For the back part, simply square n. One important thing to remember. If the back part is only one digit, always put a 0 in front of it. Let's try 51 squared. Since n is 1, the front is 25 plus 1, which is 26. The back is 1 squared. Remember our rule, so we write it as 0, 1. That gives us 2601. Next is 52 squared. N is 2. The front is 25 plus 2, which is 27. The back is 2 squared, or 0, 4. So the result is 2704. How about 56? N is 6. The front becomes 25 plus 6, which is 31. The back is 6 squared, which is 36. Put them together and you get 3136. Last one, 58 squared. N is 8. The front is 25 plus 8, which is 33. The back is 8 squared, or 64. The total is 3364. Now it is your turn. Look at the list on the screen. Can you fill in the missing squares for 53, 54, 55, 57, and 59? Drop your answers in the comments below.